Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today is the day I finally hit the 500-mile mark on the Redeye, so I'm going to take her to the dealership to get her first oil change. Now, I know a lot of you are going to say, well, real men change their own oil, but the dealership offers the first one for free, so I'm going to take it there and see how good of a job they do, because they also offer a buy two, get one free. So I'd like to see what kind of job they do, and if they do a good job, I'll take it back to them for the package. Now, that dealership where I got the car from is Heritage Dodge Jeep Chrysler of Parkville. So we'll see how they do. But before we go, I know you all like it. Let's have a cold start. That sound just never gets old. How's it going, everybody? We're here at Heritage Dodge Jeep Chrysler of Parkville. Car's up on the lift, getting the oil change. Omar's the SRT master mechanic that they have doing it. Let's take a look. Meet Omar. This is Omar, the master mechanic. How's it going, Omar? So you already got the shield off. So how many courses does this take, Omar? 7? 0 W40?
I believe so. I believe it takes 0 40. You got on that thing?
515.
You ain't shredded the back tires yet?
Not yet, I'm just now allowed to.
Oh yeah, that's right. You gotta sign that big freaking paper thing on what you can do and what you can't do with it.
I wish. Nah, that was just the Demon.
Oh, that's right, it's the Demon.
Yeah, the Demon you're allowed to race without voiding the warranty. This you can't, even though it's got the same parts.
Yeah.
I think that's a crock.
Huh? That's 20.
Now, while they have it up in the air, they're going to put the air dam deflectors up here for the cooling of the rear brakes. All the Redeyes are coming with them. Same over here on the passenger front. Now, the oil cooler also has to be drained as well, Omar, correct? Yes, the oil cooler lines. Now that the oil's done and drained, filter's on, plugs back in. Gotta get to the cooler line over here on the front passenger side. Gotta take off the other clip. black Mopar filter. I know people have said that they have a white SRT filter. They don't have that when they said this one works. We'll have to see. But that's what's next. Cooler line. Now the cover's off. You can see it. Now the oil's changed, Omar's installing the air deflector brackets. Now what is that going on, Omar?
It goes in the strut arm. It's like a goes to the knuckle from the frame over here, and then it goes this way. And then I like it, redirects air into the brakes.
Okay.
Goes in like that, and then you put this way.
And the air hits it and deflects to the brakes.
Exactly. Supposed to help cool.
Now I was reading, I don't think a lot of Hellcat people have them. I think there's just something for the Redeyes.
Yeah, it's only Redeyes. I don't. No, they don't have the red. Might be. Unless.
I was gonna say, did the Demons even have that, or the Demon was pretty much considered a straight line car, where this is also considered a road car as well.
Yeah, I don't think the Demon had it either. I know for sure. I know for a fact that regular Hellcat didn't have it.
No pressure, Omar. And just 4 little bolts hold it together.
Yep. Very easy installation.
Then it'll go over here on the passenger side as well. To the driver's side, air deflector's in, all tightened down, and you see the air hits it and then goes to the brakes. And there's where the air comes in to the deflector, to the brakes. Now onto the passenger side. Same process over here. And there's the air vent again for the air to come through for the deflector. The Scat Pack's really nice. I test drove one before I drove this, just to see, because I'd never sat and drove one of the Challengers.
Me like $500 a month. Yeah, it was like
That's a lot. All right, oil's all done. Omar's just going the extra mile to wipe her down. Thank you, Omar. Start her up and make sure everything's okay. All right, everybody, I'm back from the dealership. I had a good experience. My service writers, Alex and Dave, are very nice. The SRT mechanic that did all the work, Omar, was also very nice. He's kind enough to let me record the process of him changing the oil and putting the air deflectors on. I felt that he took very good care of the car. When he took the covers off for the oil, he sat there and took them off nice and easy, put them down to the side, didn't just throw them, didn't want to make sure to lose anything. While he was draining the pan and the oil filter, he checked out the car to make sure everything was okay and nothing was wrong with it. Checked the air pressure in the tires to make sure they were good. When he got done with the draining the oil from the pan and the filter, made sure to wipe everything down nice and clean, put the plug back in, put the new filter in, and then after he got done with the oil, he then put the air deflectors on. Now those air deflectors are something that are Redeye specific. Now they are something new from Dodge for the Redeyes to help keep the front brakes cool for a road course. What they do is they go on the control arms and the air comes through the rear bumper ducts, hits those deflectors, and is deflected onto the brake calipers and pads and the rotors to help keep them cool. When Omar was done with the deflectors, lowered the vehicle, put the oil in, wiped everything down, make sure she was good to go, checked all the other fluids, make sure all the levels were good. So I'd say that, it was a very good experience. They took very good care of the car. I'm very happy with how they did everything. I would definitely recommend them. Like I said before, I recommend them for the buying process. Everything is very good, easy. They're very courteous, easy to work with. And I feel that the service department did a very good job as well. So like I said, I definitely recommend Heritage Dodge Jeep Chrysler of Parkville. Well, that's it for this video. I do have more videos coming. So if you're new to the channel, please click that subscribe button and then turn your bell notification on so you stay up to date on my new videos. I'm out. Everybody be safe.